Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this following video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can refund payment on your Cash App account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to log in into your Cash App account. So for that, you need to open up your Cash App and then enter your login credential. So once you're logged into your account, will be directed to the home page, and right on this page you need to tap on the timer icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. And as you tap on the timer icon, next page you'll be able to see the transaction history, and what you need to do is you need to select the payment that you want to refund, and once you select the payment that you want to refund, you'll have this kind of interface. So what you need to do is you need to tap on the three dot icon located in the top right corner, and as you tap on it, you'll have the drop down menu, and then you need to click on refund, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to receive your refund. And that is how you can refund payment on your Cash App account. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.